For my 4th grade Social Sciences Resource Kit, I decided to focus on Michigan's history and its natural resources. The natural resource I used specifically was logging and the lumber industry. But you could use other examples such as Michigan's agricultural industry or its mining industry. Many of the 4th grade GLECs for history, geography, as well as civics and government are interconnected, so they can be easily used in the same unit or lesson. The greatest resource for social studies that I have found is Oakland School's Atlas Rubicon. It covers every subject through every grade. It has a lot of great resources for both teachers and students. The photos I selected for my resource kit can be used for a few different things. This picture is a bird's eye view of Clarkston, and this is a bird's eye view of Pontiac. Both of these were taken in the early to mid 1900s. I would want students to compare familiar places to see how they have changed and create a hypothesis about why they have changed. The next 2 photographs are of the automobile industry in Michigan. How has the automobile industry changed because of technological advances? Michigan's natural resources were used because they were easily accessed and transported on the Great Lakes. This is where maps can be useful. Both of these maps show the Great Lakes as well as the rest of the United States, but will students understand how these 2 maps vary? The lumber industry is still a part of Michigan's economy today, but it is more strictly regulated. Why? Because of depletion and deforestation. This is when students should discuss the positive and negative effects of human activities on the physical environment of the United States. Deforestation is one of the negative effects of human activities. There are positive effects too. Because of deforestation, conservation laws were created on a state and federal level. Many of these were created under President Theodore Roosevelt. Why did the government intervene? What does the government even do? This is an excellent spot to introduce the GLECs under the structure and functions of government. Students should understand how the Constitution limits the powers of the government and how the Bill of Rights guarantees us specific rights. Students also explore the 3 branches of government and how the system of checks and balances limits the power of the federal government and prevents one branch from controlling the other 2 branches. After students learn more about the government, they should also learn the rights and responsibilities of citizenship. This shows that multiple social studies GLECs can be used in one unit. By looking at Michigan's lumber industry, students learn the structure and functions of the government, roles of citizenship, how to read maps, and discuss how human activities impact the United States both positively and negatively. And finally, how the lumber industry developed in Michigan.